When I wake up in the morning, I see the open door. Don't remember closing it ever. Ain't nobody coming, but I never keep it shut. Keep me from pulling the trigger, my baby. Hush, all the lullabies. Call me out 1,000 times. Yeah, hush, all the lullabies. Breaking till my falling lies.
As far as we could to ignore what's around, ignore all expectations, even when we should hold out to what's behind and see what will come. Scared of talking, drowning my thoughts in love. Cigarette smoke still clouds this fleeting high that we're drowning in. Sleep and pride and silent back. I like when you never smile. What I've seen is enough, and I'm scared to do too much. laugh at my problems, even when I should look up to what's behind and see what will come. But no, I bite my tongue, hoping nobody will hear. Cigarette smoke still clouds this fleeting hideout, drowning in sleep and pride and terrified.